subtraction. Examples. Simplify. Three root 6 minus 7 root 6. Solution. Now we have 3 root 6 minus 7 root 6. It's still the same techniques we used to carry out this operation, that is for addition. It's the same operation we use for subtraction also. So in that case, we are going to use the same technique. 3 root 6 minus 7 root 6. Also, you can only subtract two or more surds that have the same number inside the square root, just like this, together. So in this case, for us to get the answer to this, we are going to subtract the coefficient. So it's like 3 minus, it's like having 3 minus 7, then root 6. We are subtracting the coefficient. So 3 minus 7 will give us what? That is minus 4. So this is minus 4 root 6. So minus 4 root 6 is the solution to the problem. Thank you.